I'm checking, come closer. So I'm checking for play in these rollers. And when I do a measurement, I lift it up, it's 1.7 millimeters play. And I've done these are like 1.6, 1.08, 1.5, 1.6, 1.7. So that's, and they all feel about the same amount of play, so I don't know if that's typical or not. Now for this front wheel here, that front wheel's toast. This back one, there's almost no play in it whatsoever. But I'm guessing that's all one axle, so that might have to get replaced. All these are tight. There's no play in them at all 8 of them. They don't wobble, they don't go up and down or nothing. Now these back here, there's play in this. So they seem to turn okay, but there's wobble.
Maybe there's something that needs to be tightened?
Well, either tightened or the axle might be worn and needs to be replaced. So.